Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea powder for traveling easy method. Start by choosing sturdy loose tea leaves, remove stems, dry thoroughly, then pulse in a spice grinder until finely powdered and uniform. Pack small airtight tins or zip bags with desiccant for moisture control and label with steep ratios and tasting notes. Carry a tiny funnel and a teaspoon for easy measuring on the go. Dry leaves completely before grinding to prevent clumping and mold during travel. Use a fine grind for instant brewing and a coarser grind for traditional steeping with longer infusion. Test steep ratios starting at 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water and adjust strength to taste. Cool and sieve powder if clumpy, then split into single-serve portions to speed setup when traveling. Keep extras in checked luggage to avoid cabin. Measure by weight for consistency, aiming for 2 to 3 grams per 8-ounce cup for most black teas. Add powdered spices like cinnamon or cardamom for a chai-style boost, or mix in dried lemon peel for brightness. Label containers with brew time, water temperature, and grind date to keep flavor consistent on long trips. Use small vacuum-sealed bags to reduce oxygen exposure and preserve aroma for weeks on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.